everyone, this is the 1/400 scale diecast Gemini Jets Soviet Aeroflot Ilyushin IL-62M. This model is produced by Gemini Jets in 2023, and it carries the white and blue cheatline colors of the Soviet Union's Aeroflot from the 1980s. The aircraft was powered by four Soloviev D-30KU low bypass turbofans, producing up to 23,000 pounds force or 103 kilonewtons each. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 186 passengers depending on layout and configuration. This aircraft has a maximum cruise speed of 490 knots or 900 kilometers an hour with a range of almost 5,400 nautical miles or just over 10,000 kilometers. And now for today's history lesson. Originally, this IL-62M was delivered to the Soviet Union's Aeroflot company on November 23, 1981. At this time, the aircraft was painted in the classic Aeroflot livery of a white fuselage with a blue cheat line along the windows and a large Soviet flag emblazoned on the tail. This time, the aircraft was registered as CCCP-86492. June 1984 saw the aircraft transition to Guyana Airways for a brief service on the African continent. The registration stayed the same, but the aircraft was repainted in Guyana Airways colors at the time. 2 months later, the aircraft was back in Soviet Aeroflot colors and flying the skies in and around the Iron Curtain nation and their allies. With the fall of the Soviet Union and the return of the Russian nation, the aircraft stayed with the new restructured Russian Aeroflot Airlines and was re-registered in 1992 as RA-86492. The aircraft continued flying in and around Europe and the Russian expanse until 2015. Instead of scrapping this old workhorse of an aircraft, it was saved and placed outdoors as a museum piece at the Moscow International Airport, given back its old Soviet-era livery and registration, and that is where the aircraft remains to this day. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you and like and subscribe. If you want to keep up with our video feed, please hit that black subscribe button below your screen. Right now, over 80% of our viewers are not subscribers. So if you don't want to miss these videos, please subscribe. If you want to watch other videos, please select one of the links shown here. Thank you and good day.